First, use scissors to make round paper cuttings with serrated margins. Now, apply some adhesive and paste these green cuttings on the main branches of the tree. To add variation to the tree, paste more such cuttings of lighter color and smaller size. Now, paste some more smaller sized cuttings to complete the foliage. Next, crush kite paper to make paper balls for the base of the tree to give it a natural look. Now, paste kite paper balls in rows at the bottom of the tree. And your tree is ready.